G'day Lawnies, this is Matt Dawn from Lawnporn. Get your lawn on. Well, we're in winter and this is a warm season grass, and yeah, I haven't really been doing much with it. I got injured at work. I couldn't walk around because of my leg. We're also in the mode of moving from here at Whyalla to our place at Port Augusta, but we were actually home invaded at Port Augusta. It wasn't a very nice experience, but cut a long story short, we're all okay. What have I been doing with my grass for like the first bit of winter? Well, before I hurt my leg, I put down a couple of apps of Greenlight and Root Builder, and then I was looking to starting to fertilise with Launch, and you know, that's when I did my injury, so I couldn't walk around with the backpack sprayer on. Got a new product coming out which is called 4 Seasons. It's a granular fertiliser. It's a dual controlled release fertiliser. It's the first dual controlled release fertiliser to hit the domestic market. It's the style of fertiliser used on your big golf courses, because you know, just imagine all the big golf courses, they haven't got time to spray everything down with the foliar fertiliser, so that's why they generally tend to use a granular fertiliser and water it in. Because I couldn't do anything with my leg, I decided to fertilise with the new product, and look, it's looking great. Hardly any weeds to it. I don't need to mow it because it's dormant. It's winter. That's what you expect. So it's not a very exciting video, is it? I got a handful of weeds, which, you know, why bother putting down selective herbicide for weeds when you've only got, you know, like 4 or 5. It just pays tribute to having a thick lawn growing a bit taller. So it was really incredible getting Lawnporn into the shops. I mean, we started April and had a few, and May a few more, and I thought that would be that would be the end of it. Although I was putting a lot of hard work in it, and a lot of people asking for it in their state, but just kept working at it. And June, you know, while I've been sick and everything like that, it just really blossomed and exploded. And you know, I didn't expect that, especially the end of the financial year stuff. And wow, it's just been good. Some real big companies getting behind us because they know it's a professional product, and it's the first time that professional products that are used by professionals are available in the home garden domestic market. So, and it's only been made possible because of you guys getting into the page, interacting. You know, the ones that initially bought it online. The whole thing about it is I want the shops to be supported and make some money out of it, and you know, that creates jobs, and it just gets people back into the shops. I mean, they might go into the shop and want to buy a sprayer as well, or, you know, if the shop's making money, well then they can afford to pay their staff, they can afford to make their shop better, they can afford to create some more jobs for some other people, you know, especially if it gets busy. And might move to the front, the dogs are making a fair bit of noise in the backyard there. Yeah, I've got a lot to be thankful for, and even though I've been going through my battles, so thanks to everybody for the nice messages and everything I've been getting in support of Lawnporn. It's getting to more and more stores. It's actually getting to stores that I don't even know about. So that's, you know, people tell me, oh, it's available here, and I just thought I didn't know about that one. Thank you for the support, everybody. Really, really appreciate it. You know, 6-7 more weeks to go, and it'll be spring, and it'll be reno time.
Welcome to All Up. Get your lawn